Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and join Google Classroom app on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here we want to write Google Classroom and hit on the search button. Select this app and click on the install. When the installation process is done, we can open the app, press on get started, and from here you will need to choose which account you want to bound to this classroom. I have only one, so I'm just gonna pick that one and click OK. From here we need to press on this plus button and we'll be able to either create or join class, and in order to join class we need to press the second one. From here you will need to enter your class code, which you should be provided with, and after doing that simply press join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.